Hey, good evening, everyone. This is Curtis Fillers, and I'd like to thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. And this evening, what I want to talk about is I'm actually sort of surprised that most people haven't heard of this platform that I've actually been using since 2012. But the name of it is IBO Toolbox, and it's like a mini Facebook for I like to put I like to say like-minded individuals, people that have online businesses, network marketing, affiliate marketing, internet marketing businesses, um, that type of industry. That's what this platform is all about. This is where everyone comes and you can put out everything you have on your business or businesses that you have, and it's a very powerful tool. And I haven't for the first couple years. I didn't use it like it really needed to be used, but recently, within the last couple years, I've really been using it and taking advantage of everything they have here. It's really powerful. But there's some people I actually talked to the last few days and have never heard of it, and they're actually in the online industry and have never heard of it. So let me go ahead and get started here. Right up here at the very top, you're going to see right here 14 members online. This is going to be the members that I'm connected with. It's almost like a friend request, like on Facebook. But you'll see here there's just under 300,000 members, so it's a very large site. And this is for anyone, anywhere in the world. As far as I know, there's no countries that are banned from this. I have different IBO associates from, I want to say, almost every country I can think of. I'm a friend with, but like I said, more than likely any country can come on and register and use this platform, and it is almost totally, I like to say, free. There's certain things you can purchase if you'd like credits for advertising, things of that nature, but other than that, it's really a free site. So what you're going to want to do is come over here to this block right here where it says create new account, put your name, first name, last name, and create yourself a username, a password, email address, and click right here to make sure you're not a robot, and just click create account. And I believe it's been so long, like I said, it's been 2012, that I believe they'll send you an email. You have to confirm it. I'm not positive on that. But again, you want to remember your username and password just like you would with any other site because you're going to be using it a lot. And then this is what you're going to see when you log in. And let me mention this also. This site, the new IBO Toolbox 3.0, has only been out probably, actually, I believe a couple weeks. Today is August the 5th, 2019. And like I say, it's been about 2 weeks. So I'm actually new to the new part myself. I'm getting fairly familiar with it, and it's all starting to fall into place. But it's just a tad different than the old model that they had. And so right over here is going to be your main menu. There's going to be a dashboard. That's where we're at right now. This is going to show your credits that you have, the number of associates that you're connected with, how many ads you have running, image locker. Some of this I'm not sure about. I think this is how much pictures and stuff it holds for you. I'm not positive on that. Like I said, this is a new part of this. I'm in Club IBO. This is things you do not have to be in. Um, Club IBO is on another page, which you can click on that and you read all about what that's involved with. And then down here, they tell you how many visitors you've had today to your profile for the week and for the month. Tell you what, a couple hours ago, I looked at this and there was only 51 visitors to my profile today. So that's gone up quite a bit in the last couple hours. Um, Next thing is the IBO wall. This is almost like a news feed sort of thing. So when you join and you create your account, it's going to pop up over here that you're a new person, that you just signed up. Matter of fact, right here's one. Hello, everyone. I just signed up with IBO Toolbox. And what you want to do is welcome people into the community. I just like to hit like and then hit a comment. Just something just short and sweet, or whatever you'd like to put. Hit comment. See, now what happens is when you use the wall here, if you comment a couple times. I'm not sure on the amount of time, it's not many. And if you would post something yourself on the wall, you'll get a star for that. That's where you build up these stars at, besides people's names. I've got actually 6 beside mine. I think that's as high as you can go is 6. But you get stars for things that you do. And that's one of them is commenting and posting things on the wall. And here's IBO messaging. This is where you can message in between each other, someone that's an associate, and you can message back and forth. You can message and send a link or something there. They don't like you spamming the other person, but that's just a way of connecting back and forth with each other is through messaging. And then here's the IBO associates. This will give all of your associates here. I've got not really that many, believe it or not, for the length of time I've been here, but I've got like 16 pages of associates. Now, if you think about it, there's 291,000 members here. If you just start adding associates a day, so many a day, and get everybody added, you got yourself a big list here. If you think about it, that's a lot of people to be in contact with and have at the tip of your fingers with what you're doing. Now here we got IBO advertising. This is where you can advertise banner advertising, text advertising. Um, it's just a lot of things. What you want to do is come in here and just read about all this. And here's, like I said, this is the credits I have right now, and I have a couple of them running. And see right here, you've got where you can reset this counter. It tells how many views you've had, how many clicks, and the click-through rate, the percentage of the click-through rate on these banners. I'm just running I'm running 2 text ads right now, and I haven't got the banner ads cut on at the moment. And let me see. Then you got the credit center. Down here's where you can get credits just for logging on a couple times a day. You'll just like take this, and then right here, you'll click here because they want you to look at other people's profiles or other people's advertisements. You click there, it'll take you to someone's profile. You'll look it over, for a short period of time, and then just come right back here, put that code in, and hit redeem code, and that will add 100 credits to your credits there. You do that twice a day, and with Club O, you get 4,000 credits every week, and 4,000 every week, and you just do the same thing. You copy this right here and do the same thing. Click there, and then go to someone's profile, look it over, enter the coupon here, and then hit redeem coupon, and that will add to your credits. I just did that today, so that's why I've got so many as I've got. I've got 4,000 added today. And the next thing is the IBO tools. This is really powerful here. Here's like a press release tool. This is really what this is a blog. You can do your own blogging. This stuff is algorithms. It's syndicated with Google, and there's some of these I've done in the past. I've done one today, but prior to that, I haven't done that many. These are very powerful and very Google friendly, where you can do a press release, and I've actually had it where a couple hours later, it's actually been on the first page of Google. Then again, it's according to what keywords you've used also. The other things on the tools, like some of this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do individual videos on each thing. They're going to be real short videos, like on this tool, that tool, that tool. Tonight, I'm just kind of doing an overview of the platform and give you an idea of what we have. Now, this is coming, I think, October 1st, where you can do live videos, just like on Facebook. You can do live right here on IBO, and you'll have a couple 100,000 people that could be watching you. IBO mobile app, that's coming out, I think it's September 15th, it'll be done. And here's a search tool where if you're looking for another member, it gives you how you can do that. And let me see here. Let's see. I don't want to make this very long. It's actually getting a little long here, but that gives you kind of an idea of how this goes. But what you want to do is create the account and get in here, just look around. And then one of the first places you want to do is come to help desk, come here, and how-to videos. You click that, and you got plenty of videos here that can help you see. 22 articles here on all this stuff. And the other thing is, once you come in here, like I said, it's free to join. You don't have to spend any money. You don't have to spend any money at all ever here if you don't want to. But this is where you need to come and let people see what you have, see what other people have. You may find something here from someone else that you may be interested in. But it's a great place to be. I've got a lot of, put it this way, I've got a lot of business out of this platform right here, just using this platform. And with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and cut this video right now. And what I'm going to do in the description below this video, I'm going to have a link if you'd like to join IBO Toolbox and be under me. I don't get anything for this. I'm just bringing you into this platform. Just click on that, sign up, and if you would, send me a Facebook message, and or you can send me a message through IBO. Send me a Facebook message or through IBO. And anyway, just send me a message on Facebook and a friend request if you'd like, and we can see what we can do to help each other out. And if I can do anything for you on the IBO Toolbox or any other thing, just let me know. Be more than happy to help you out. So with that being said, I'm going to call it a night and hope you all have a great day. Again, if you would, if you got any value out of this, I'd appreciate a like on the video and subscribing to my channel if you would. Thank you very much, and thanks again for watching. Take care, everyone.